Hi friends, welcome. I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Archer and Olive December subscription box. Now I realize I'm posting this in January and I debated whether to post it or not because most likely this box is going to be sold out already, but I went ahead and posted anyways because I want you to see everything that is inside the box, everything that you can expect from a subscription from Archer and Olive. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. First of all, let's take a look at this beautiful poem in here, and then also the details of the box, like the floral doodles and everything is just gorgeous. This box is also very heavy and it's pretty big as well. It is 12 by 10, and then let's see here, like three, almost like 3 1/4. So it is a very big box. So let's go ahead and open it. As you can see here, it's a little bit banged up, but it is completely full. Like it barely has any space. And I mean, I did take out the items, some of them, and I already opened them just because I couldn't contain myself. But look at this. It is pretty full. It has a lot of things. So the first thing that we see is this box is the beauty between. Then on the other side, it has the spoilers. I'm not going to show you just yet, but it basically explains everything that you can find in the box. Let's put this one on the side. First thing that we have is a washi and journalist sticker set. We also have, I'm going to be opening everything in just a second, but I just wanted to show you everything that we have in here. We also have this artisan paper, the dual tone, and so in the back it always has the colors. I will show you this in a little bit as well. Now we also have, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with their packaging, the florals, everything. I just love all the attention to detail that they have. This is a dot grid notebook. Now let's see here. Look, I mean, look at how gorgeous this is, and the colors and everything. This is decorated tape. Now we also have, this is a craft knife, and here it's just absolutely gorgeous. This is soft cover notebooks. And then last but not least, we have this gorgeous box, and this one is a notebook. So now that we have everything here, everything laid out, which one should we start with first? Let's go ahead and leave the notebooks for last so we can see everything else first. Okay, so I think the first thing that I'm gonna open is the sticker, the washi and journaling set. It has 4 sheets total, 2 of each design. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is our mats. And so it has 2 of this. And then, oh, look at these florals. It's so beautiful. These are like stamps. And it has 2 of this. So these are stickers. These are the sticker set. Now let's look at the decorative tape, which is basically washi tape. It looks amazing. Next, we have the artisan paper, and we have, as I mentioned before, the 24 sheets in total. So let's open it and see how gorgeous this is. Like the paper, it is very nice quality paper. And this is kind of like a vellum paper. This is beautiful. And the design is only on one side. For this one, look at this. Has the gold. This is like handmade paper. Oh, look at this. You can see the texture on this. It is very thick. And you see this. This is so pretty. This one as well. And this one. On one side, it has the texture. And then on the other one is very, not soft. Yeah, it is soft, but it doesn't have texture on the other side. Also, please excuse my nails. They have seen better days, but I didn't do nail polish or anything because I'm trying to grow them and get them back to where they're healthy. So I almost didn't post this video because of that. But like I said, done is better than perfect, and I usually have my nails really good for the videos, but this is just not one of those videos. Anyways, look at this. This is so pretty. I think you can see it here in the video. One side, it has a pretty texture. Actually, and then on the other side, this is like an embossed texture. And then the designs repeat again. They start all over. So they have 3 of each design. So a total of 24, and there's 8 different designs. And then we're going to do the craft knife. By the way, these are amazing papers for like scrapbooking, job journaling, all the things, or to decorate your bullet journal as well. Wow, look at this, the gold details. Of course, it has the archer no living here, and then the ampersand in the top. One thing with the craft knife is that, and I learned this the hard way, you have to unscrew. So that's how we open. I actually opened this part. Let me go ahead and put it back. But like now you know how. So if you unscrew it, you can take the blade off and replace it, and then very carefully you tie it again to make sure it doesn't move. So this is the craft knife. And then I think it's a good thing that you have to do it like this, so you don't get, you know, maybe your kids don't grab it and think it's a regular pen, so you cannot just open it like this, right? So I think that's actually a really good thing, like safety for this craft knife. So last but not least, actually no, I still have to show you the notebooks, but these are the duotone pens. And all the pens that do have these stickers with the colors, so you can match them and put it on the pens. So basically, we're going to have 2 colors, as you see here, and then one end is going to be at that tip. So it is 3.5 millimeters, and then the other end is going to be a fine tip, 0.4 millimeters. So let me show you. So this will be the color on one end and the tip. Let's look at the other tip. I absolutely love these colors. They go like so well together. So in this side, I'm kind of doing like 2 traces just to see how dark the color can get. And then here, it's just kind of like 1 trace. Now let's look at the soft cover notebooks. I gotta say, I'm mesmerized every time that I see a product from Archer and Olive, because I see how beautiful everything is, how in theme, all the attention to detail. And that's one of the things that when I first purchased something from them, it got me as a loyal customer. And now that I'm a brand ambassador and I see a little bit of the behind the scenes and everything, I can see all the love and care that they put into every single product, always thinking about the customers. I just love that and appreciate that about small business. I mean, look at how gorgeous. This is like an embossed botanical design on the cover, and the cover is, as usual, their signature vegan leather. Is here. Let's go ahead and open it. And so we have the 3 notebooks. So this one is lined, and how gorgeous. I also love that their paper is crisp white. That's like one of my favorite things in paper. This is the inside of the notebook. Okay. And this is the other one. Beautiful. This one is the dark grid on the inside, on the pages, the back. Oh, look at how gorgeous. I love botanical and frotals. So this is just beautiful. This one is grid. Let's look at the back and then the front. You can see the front. Okay. Now, and then this you can take out the notebooks and then just put new ones in the insert. And it's very easy to take out and then put back in. Beautiful. It's just gorgeous. The next notebook. Let's just take a moment. I mean, every time that I see a package, like a gorgeous package, I'm gonna mesmerize and pay attention and give it some love. So look at this, the box. And so this one is the dark grid notebook. It has 192 pages with 160 GSM, and it's an A5. Let's open it. Also, Bunny has a beautiful message for the community inside the packaging. We open it here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. The foil. So now the cover, I think it's vegan leather as well. So you can see it's like a embossed floral design. Oh, look at this. These are just beautiful notebooks, just make me happy. And gorgeous stationery is I guess it's my love language. I love this. Oh my god, look at this cover. I mean the inside. It's just gorgeous. All right, and so we have here, this one is a dark grid. Again, I love the crisp white paper. We also have the signature ampersand charm. In the back, we have the pocket. Beautiful, gorgeous notebook. Now we have this notebook. Is a B5 notebook. I can't remember if I mentioned, but the other one was an A5 size. And opened it. It's upside down. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Again, this one also has a note from Bunny. Now look at this gorgeous botanical design. And this here, you can see, is vegan leather, but it's also embossed. This is that it feels so good to get the texture of this. Look at this. The spine over here. And then also all the notebooks have this right here to put your pen. Also the elastic, the inside. This has this gorgeous gold foil. Again, the signature charm. It has two different bookmarks. This one is also dark green. Also this big pocket. But this is it. Let me show you how they look in comparison side by side. So this one is B5, A5, and this one is B6. You can see it's definitely smaller than the A5, and then A5 compared to the B5. This is kind of like the comparison in size of the notebooks. All right, so let's review again everything that was included in the box, and I went ahead and reviewed the prices in Archer and Olive of some of these. The ones that I couldn't find the price, I found something similar to the item and I got an estimated price. So the B5 notebooks in Archer and Olive are $39. The A5 notebooks are $35, and I couldn't find anything for the soft cover notebooks as of right now. These have an estimated price of like $25 because they have 3 notebooks inside, pricing it at $25. Now we have the washi tape, similar washi tape in the website in Archer and Olive. The set of 4 is $15, which I think it is a great price because this is high quality washi tape, the width and everything. So this was 45 millimeters, 20, 15, and 9. Then we also have the duotone pens. Now they don't have any dual tone pens in the website, but they have the calligraphs and the acrylograph pens, and the set of 5 is usually $19. The artisan paper, obviously this artisan paper, handmade paper, is exclusive for this box, but something like a collage pad, I think it will be similar in price to this. So I gave this a $19 price. Between 19 and 25 is what they have. They call it collage. I forgot how to pronounce it, but Anyways, that type of paper is usually between 19 and 25. So I give this one a 19. The craft knife, they usually do have this as an accessory, and it is $15. And then the stickers in the box, so it is a set of 4. The stickers on the website, it comes as a set of 2 and it's $9, so I priced this at 18. So the grand total for everything in the box, it is priced at $185 if you were to get this separate, and the actual subscription box is $79. So I think it is an incredible price for everything that we get in the box. I'm going to show you here. These are my notes that I searched everything in Archer and Olive. The only one that I couldn't find was the soft cover books, and so I looked them up online, and something similar you could get it for $25 or higher. So that's the price that I gave it. So yep, $185. The box is $79, and I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about the box, let me know in the comments. This might be the third or fourth box that I get from Archer and Olive, and I think this might be my favorite. I don't have a YouTube video of the September box in my channel, but I do have it in my Instagram where I show everything that it is on the September box. It was amazing too, but I love this one, and I think getting 3 notebooks, I mean 5 if you count that there's 3 inside of this, it makes it extremely valuable. And in the subscription boxes, as I mentioned before, you at least get 2 notebooks. So that right there tells you that you're gonna have a great price, because the 2 notebooks is $75 and then the box is $79. Unfortunately, you can use my code, which is VD10 for subscription boxes or the subscription themes or anything like that. But if you want to get a notebook or pens or washi tape, stickers, anything else, you will be able to use my code VD10 and save 10% on anything that you order in Archer and Olive. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a little bit different. I try to be more relaxed when it comes to my YouTube videos, the editing and everything, because for one, I want to be more of myself when I'm doing these videos. I want to give you the reviews and everything without so much editing. I mean, sometimes I do have to edit it because I forget words. English is my second language, and sometimes I say things in Spanish, so I do have to do some editing, but I want to be more real time of everything that I unbox when it comes to the products and everything. Of course, I'll always give you my honest review about everything, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I do have another box that I need to unbox and tell you guys about, so that probably will be my next video. But for now, thank you again for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and like, because that is a free way to support my channel. And that's it. I'm gonna stop talking now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.